Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 3rd of September 2014 market review. The trade for the day is called MTN. The code is MTN and the action is going to be a short, trading from a high to a low. Current last traded price on the share is R244.51. Entry level to go into this action of short will be R242.93. So they expect if this blue dotted line is going to be broken, they can go lower to the green line here of R232.20. Stop loss to be used. This red line here of R248.89. Current trade to be closed today is called Vodacom. 13th of August was a buy action. Entry level was 126.69. The target was R133.66. Last traded price was R129.68. Current open shares: CFR, Mondi, SA Breweries, Anglo, Liberty, Woolies and Sanlam. Looking at the top 40 index, the blue line is the index movement of the top 40 shares on the JSE. Currently it broke the 5-day moving average upwards, as well as the 20-day moving average upwards as well. Looking at the Dow Jones, they closed 50 points negative last night. Currently testing this previous highs here, closed at the 17,140 levels. Currently the futures is about 9 points positive. Losing a lot of momentum the last few days on the top side here. A bit of a sideways trading happening here. The J200, that's the top 40 shares, starting to trade in this sideways pattern, a bit of upwards again. Yesterday it picked up very nicely. And as you can see, there's a bit of an upward movement happening there as well. Going back to the industrials, Dow Jones, Friday is going to be a big number on the market. That's for the US non-farm payroll figures that's coming out. So keep a close eye on Friday afternoon at 2:50 on this report. Thursday, it's going to be the job figures coming out of the US market as well at 2:50. Looking at a few shares in the market. Here's Shoprite. Still trading the downward cycle between the green and the purple Bollinger Band at this moment. No cause of an upbreak or breakdown as yet. Losing a bit of momentum there. Mr. Price tested previous highs, coming a bit down, but also in a sideways pattern or sideways channel there. Woolies broke up through the green line or the Bollinger Band in the middle there after a sideways pattern. Testing the top of the red Bollinger Band at this moment, trading at R80.78. Next expectation high to be tested is R81.21. Banking shares, Barclays Bank, also a bit of a sideways, testing the middle Bollinger Band and trading that band at this moment. Small trading range at this moment, as you can see. 167, 170 is the current high here on the top. Currently trading at 168.50. Standard Bank also trading the sideways pattern at this moment here. No direction in the short term. Trading at the level of 138.80. Going to look at the MTN example. Looking at MTN, broke the bottom support there. Formed a new low, breaking up here. Big question is, if it breaks this high here, new highs could be formed. We need to see in this small channel that I'm going to draw up quickly here, where this channel could go. And here's the bottom of that channel, and here's the current top side of that channel. So the big question is, in this little downward channel, can it break up and go back to 247 Rand from 244 Rand? Very small channel to trade up. Or would it test that channel again and come back to the 240 levels in the short term, testing this Bollinger Band there as well. Looking at Vodacom. Now Vodacom also got a bit of momentum up yet on the level of 127.95, going a bit higher. Next expectation high back to the 130, 131 levels in the short term on the top. Looking at Imperial, also testing this 189 level, broke a bit up, trading at 191. Need to see if we can move back to this high of 196. Looking into some indicators here, there's a bit of a breakup here happening on the WR. RSI, also a bit of a small breakup happening here. Stochastics, still showing a bit of a downward pattern, so it's a lagging indicator. Need to wait for a day or two to confirm if this is good to really move up back to the 196 and higher levels. Going to be a quite interesting week. Remember, this is September, the 18th of September, future close-offs will happen. On the 18th of September, we will have the MPC meeting of the South African Reserve Bank. And on the 18th of September, it's on a Thursday, we will have job loss figures. So we could see a bit of a volatility regards to this news that will come out as well in the next week or two. Trade with care and have patience in the market. That is the tip for the day. Enjoy your trading.